Hi, my name is Daniel Gorley, Western Regional Sales Manager for Altman Lighting. And today we'd like to show you our 450 Power and Data Distribution System. The 450 Power and Data Distribution System is the most innovative and forward-thinking system available from any theatrical lighting manufacturer to date. The 450 distro is based around the ideas of quality, flexibility, and affordability that can satisfy the most demanding of applications. Altman Lighting's 450 series is an 18-gauge steel distribution system that can house 20, 30, 60, 75, and 100 amp 110-220 circuits. All circuits are fed by DIN rail mounted terminal blocks that accept up to 8-gauge wire, as well as a wide array of available connector types and hanging hardware. All T-brackets and end caps are 14-gauge steel, with 1/8-inch pilot holes for side power feeds and strain relief connections. Half-inch knockouts are located every 1.5 inches on center throughout the length of the device. Altman 450 distro is the most flexible distribution system for any fixture or power application. 450 provides many connector options including Edison, stage pin, L520 twist lock, as well as PowerCon and even Sockapex or Veeam connections as standard. The 450 Power and Data Distribution System is based on a flexible 3-inch panel layout, standard end cap, and facing accessories. All connector strips and plug boxes are pre-drilled with 1/8-inch holes at 3-inch on center. This allows for a greater ease of design, as well as offers the flexibility that has not been seen before in past theatrical distribution systems. Because the panels are based on a 3-inch form factor, complete systems can be built from off-the-shelf panels and placed anywhere in the device. Gone are the days of waiting for custom-designed panels with custom lead times. Standard is better. With the 450 distro from Altman Lighting, data is never an afterthought. All connector strips and plug boxes can be created with an integrated low-voltage barrier that runs across the top of the device. These barriers allow distribution of low-voltage DMX and Cat5 data cables along the length of the connector strip or plug box to integrate with today's modern moving and LED lighting systems. In Altman 450 connector strips, the cabling in the low-voltage barrier originates from a DIN rail mounted control box. This control box allows for integration of pathway connectivity DMX 512, RDM optosplitters, Ethernet nodes, and other DIN rail mounted control devices. The use of pathway connectivity devices ensures cross-compatibility with existing and future control protocols and provides the designer, contractor, and end user with a universal distribution system. The DIN rail allows for easy servicing of all low-voltage devices. So you like the flexibility of the 450 connector strip? Well, wait till you see the 450 plug boxes. Because our design is based on a 3-inch panel, and because all of our termination blocks are panel mounted, our 450 plug boxes can be field modified as necessary. This is useful in the event of any design adjustments or phasing as the needs of the venue change. All boxes are the same 6¼ inch high by 3 3/8 inch deep dimension and have holes at 3-inch on center, similar to the connector strip. What is great about this standard size is that it allows for more flexibility for the designer, contractor, and owner. A standard surface mount plug box can be modified to a pipe mounted box by simply removing the 4 screws at each end and attaching the pipe mount accessory panel. A box can carry a single Edison connector and a 2-panel blank for phase 1. And for phase 2, the contractor can remove the blank and add a low voltage barrier, 1 passive DMX connector, and a dimmable stage pin connector. Altman 450 series distribution has many bracket choices to meet any possible need. All connector strips ship in 6-foot increments in double-walled corrugated cardboard shipping units and stanchions that allow easy installation and recycling of materials. All strips and plug boxes can be assembled with one No. 2 Phillips screwdriver. As you can see, at Altman Lighting, we've tried to look at distribution in a new light, with a focus on standardization that brings about flexibility. That's why I can confidently say that Altman's 450 series distribution is the most flexible distribution for the most demanding of spaces. Thank you for your time.